Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Laikemi. In case you're new here, karibu sana. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My voice is a bit raspy, don't mind it. I have a cold, but I hope you'll enjoy the video. In case you do, kindly remember to like, subscribe, and share me out in case you can. I'll really appreciate it. I'm going to begin with unboxing a few things I got from Jumia.
That I ordered. It was going for about 1500, but plus delivery around 17 something. So let's start with this. I'm almost due. I'm trying to prepare for him. So got the nakuanga na maziwa mob na mi uteseka. Kupamp na mkono ni ngumu. So this time I chose the easier route. With my other two boys, by then I never bought a breast pump, but this time I said, why not? This is how it looks. It's the intelligent, that's the code, automatic double breast pump, and it's automatic. Compared online shops, I compared supermarkets, I compared prices for all over, and this is the best deal I got. Imagine getting an electric breast pump for 1500 plus the delivery around 200 and something. It was a steal. Let's say I paid 1750 for the whole thing to come to me. So it has a breast shield, it has a pump, motor, nipple kit, feeding bottle. I think there are two. Yeah, so let's unbox. Oh, I love the packaging. So hygienic, clean. Look at this, guys. Jumia, I mean, you guys, I should work with you. I really buy a lot from Jumia. Wow, comes out. This is the bottle where the I think you put on your nipple like this, and then this is the cable for charging, and this is the this is the second one for the second breast, and then this. I'm happy there is a manual. I'll read it and see how it's connected. I can see here they are showing the connection. Yeah, I will use it when baby comes, so sometime in June I'll give you a review. Yeah, nikamnyoni. Wow, so soft. I love it. Let's return actually back to how it was until the baby lands. That's all. I think this is the charger, because I can see the charging port here. This is the charger. This is the thing you charge. I don't know, guys. I'll figure it out. But that's what was in that package. Mothers who had used it had given it a 4.5/5, meaning it's a good product. We go to the other item I got. Imefungwa kufungwa ni kama ilikuwa inapelekwa load. Oh, before I unbox, it's Ipcon. I use Ipcon for my blender. It's a good brand, and it's 18 inches stand fan. It's a fan. Basically, it's a fan. Where we live, it's so hot. Nimevumilia. Finally, I have a. That's how it looks. So let's open. See it inside. Guys, with Jumia, you can be sure if the product is not serving you well, after a week you can return it and they refund your money ASAP. They always do refunds. So long as you return the product in 7 days, they'll refund you. Yeah. So imefungwa poa. I think they really care about Jumia really cares about
your package,
safety of your products. Wanataka tu zikufikie zikiwa safe, because like me, I live far from Nairobi. Not so far, but I don't live in Nairobi. Well, Nairobi is my hometown, but now I'm not in Nairobi. So they make sure they seal the product so well. Aki Jumia na market, can I work with you? Please look for me. Ama niwatafute. I don't know, I love Jumia. I've bought my washing machine from Jumia, my TV from Jumia, my fridge, actually all my major soundbar, all my electronics, everything in my house is from Jumia. So this is it is not assembled. Big enough. Hapa itabidi tutafute aman. Wheel ya gari kubwa. Well, I love the size. Guys, it's a whole chemistry here. Jehovah. Hadi iko na motor, hadi iko na engine. Jesus is Lord. Guys, mi akiara nisha give up. Sidhani kama naweza fix kitu kai. Shida ya kuzoea mwanaume ndio hiyo. Wow. I'm not a technical person. I cannot sit down to know ni chuma gani inaenda wapi. Na hizi nuts zote. Haina manual. Mbona haina manual? I mean, why? This thing doesn't have a manual. Jumia. Anyway, guys, that's the fun. Once I've found some, but once someone fixes it, I'll let you know.
Blinding lights, lost in your eyes, feeling the pressure. You and I, spending the night, chasing forever. For you, oh no, I'd be your one and only. Don't let me go, don't leave me lonely. Say you'll stay through the pain, say you won't go running. Let me in through your veins, get off of my loving. invincible.
So guys, this is the consistency, the good consistency that the cake needs to have. I hope you've seen. Now I'll bake it in the oven for 200 degrees for around 1 hour. I've dusted some. I've dusted the pan. I'm pouring in the mixture. That's the good consistency.
You've been shattered, you've been broken down. Heart is beating, still won't make a sound. It feels like an angel straight from heaven, just like my lucky number 7. You're my shooting star. We're running round in circles. Love feels so invincible. Feel you when there's no one around. Your beauty's so amazing. I will always hold you down. Your heart will be kept safe and sound. But I don't wanna love you.
I want to do a May shopping haul, and I'll start with a few things I got for baby. I got these trousers. They look good for a newborn because nauzo 50-50 nikasema siwezi acha, so I got these two. Some bathing socks. Then I also bought some things for baby, beginning with this ndoo and this basin. I bought some 2 bottles, water bottles for my other boys. I have diapers, soft care. Bought baby wipes from Nip-Nap, 80 wipes. I bought this maternity pads for myself. Some exercise book for the other boy. This was 225 shillings, and I think it's a 20 liter. And this was 180, and it's, I think, 10 liters or something. A book, milk, bread, imefinyika. Let me just return some of these things here. So there is bread, this tissue, your heaven, there's this, Indomie. I got this one, I think it's new in the market, vegetable. Then kawaida, the chicken. Toothpaste, Pepsodent, minced meat, 4 kg of sugar. These are new, so don't mind it. The juice, okay, soda, Coca-Cola, there was a Mother's Day offer, so chapo and this one for cakes. The other day I baked cakes and people enjoyed, so I got more. Brown for bread, spaghetti. Have some salt, some baby mafuta ya mtoto. It came with a free gift still from Carson's, and then I bought this. Hii ilikuwa kando, this came as a gift. What came with mtoto 3, each was 50 shillings. It's the half inch for small kids. Yes guys, nimemaliza. Yeah, so that's it. Some minced meat, some smokies, browns, unga. I have more flour. I have 2 other packets, so I have 4. That's enough. Some diapers for baby.
I know that I can't go on without you. It's hard, cause it took 5 years until I found you. Oh, I'm not gonna let you go. Oh, I'm gonna hold you close. It's hard, cause it took 5 years until I found you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know it. We're just getting started, baby. I'm not going anywhere cause I feel best right next to you. Move next to me and show me all the things you wanna do. Oh, I can't wait to try them all. Going around the world in on fancy cars. Look at all the stars. I can't believe this is true. It took 5 whole years to find you. We're just getting started, baby. I can't control myself lately. Oh, but you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know that, yeah, you know it. We're just getting started, baby. I know the air I'm breathing. It's
How are you guys doing? I'm from having a photo shoot with my family, and it has been a success. I'll share all the contacts of the makeup guy and the photo shoot guy once the photos are out. They were so nice. I loved them. Spent the day well. Made my hair, went and did everything, and now we are back home. We actually are waiting to have dinner. Some rice, chicken. That's my face bit. Hata nasikia nini, na feel aje, na feel staki kuitoa cause it's just been 3 hours. I think it was around 3 and now it's 9. It's 6 hours. I've had it for 6 hours. Though nimeguzaguza, panguza, but the lady did a good job. She's called Winnie. In case you're in Eldoret, I'll share with you the contacts. The day was a success. At least we were able to do all the necessary things that are supposed to be done before hubby goes, because he's supposed to leave the country in the next 1 or 2 days, and he won't be back until baby is born. So that's the update I wanted to give you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Wish me success in the remaining part of the journey about waiting for baby number 3 and hopefully our last baby. I don't think I'm doing this again. That is why to me this was so special. I had to take these memories, show the baby when they grow up, make memories. Life is all about memories, guys. Take those cute photos, pamper yourself, love yourself, do makeup on yourself, or professional makeup once in a blue moon. Yeah, because honestly I cannot do makeup like this, of course I can't, but glad that someone can do it for me. So hope you had a nice Easter.
Walking into the signs, red flashing lights by your side.